Today we're gonna do Toyota Celica GT 1982 rear drum brake pad change and wheel cylinder replacement. So this is how you do it. You remove the drum brake after you unscrew all the bolts. Of course, you need to do a proper jacking. Make sure it won't fall on you. Think safety. And now, okay, you're gonna remove the return spring. After you remove the return spring, then you're gonna remove the returner spring. I use my pliers. Get a good grip and tight and push and release. Where is it? Like that. Just like so. Oh, by the way, make sure you're wearing gloves for safety reason. Always. Okay? This brake pad, front brake pad. Okay, now we're gonna do the rear brake pad. Same thing. Remove the retainer spring, push and hold and twist until you get it out, like so. What I do, so I don't get confused, I do a marking. That one is my front side. That is my rear side spring holder. Okay, now see. Okay, you're gonna remove my return spring. Here, in here. See that? That's how I do it. Okay, now I'm gonna remove the handbrake. Okay, use your long nose and your flyers. It's hard. Oh, wait. See this? This is another spring that you need to remove. Okay? I guess the key is to remember when you disassemble it, you remember how to put it back. Okay, now. Oh, wait. This is the adjuster. Okay? This is getting tough. Ah, there you go. Now, as you can see, I have a leak. So that's the reason why I need to change the cylinder wheel. Okay? On this particular example, I'm using a 10mm. Okay? Make sure, be careful to make a dent or bend your fuel line. Not fuel line, fluid line. Kink. Okay. And now, you're gonna remove the nut, the bolt on the wheel cylinder. Okay, remember your up and down. What's it again, Eugene?
Down, loosey, up and tighty.
Okay, thank you.
It's facing the other direction, so you're facing the opposite way.
Okay. So, like that. You tighten the back. Hand tight first for security. Okay. Now the bolt goes in. Hand tight first, so you can get a good fit and adjustment. Put back the pitting, make sure it's clean. Hand tight, all hand tight first. Okay, so I use my 10mm to secure the line. Okay, now everything is tight. Okay, see that? Adjustment guys, adjustment. After I remove everything, spray the brake parts cleaner to remove some dust, and then you use your sandpaper. Where you see the contact point, you have to sand it a little bit. All 5 points, I think, or 6. 3 on the back, 3 in the front. Okay, so this prevents anti-squeak. Then you're gonna apply the grease. Okay, after you clean the points where the brake shoe make contact, so you put anti-squeak to prevent it from squeaking. Maybe if you don't want to put, you can, but with me, I hate noise. Okay, this one, you need to remove the clip. There you go. Finally! See, this is your... Oh, there's another one. Okay, you have to pry it to make it open, so you can put it on the new brake pad. Okay, here's another pin that I need to, it's a challenge. And pull. Done. Oh. Okay, now we're gonna put back what we removed. So, just like so. Don't forget to be practical, use your hand. Remove your gloves. Okay, so now this is how we're gonna do it. Let's see if this thing works. Voila! It works. Okay. Okay. done. Now you're gonna do the other part. Okay, just like so. Here's the new pin. Okay, now it's back. So put that back first. So you're gonna do the back shoe first, and then the front. Okay, the sequence before is we do the removing it, the front, and then the back. When you're putting it back, the back, and then the front. Okay, since we have it disassembled everything almost. Since now I'll do my cleaning on my adjuster lever. Okay. Just like so, unscrew it, spray it. Dry it out, then you can apply again the grease portion. Maybe not too much, just a coat maybe it's good. Then you're gonna tighten it back. Later, I will be adjusting the front and back shoe. I don't know if I have enough time to show it to you, but you get the idea. Okay, I put the handbrake spring retainer, but I forgot to put the adjuster lever, so I have to undo, and now put it back. Okay, just like so. See, yes, your retaining adjuster. Ready. So what we're gonna be using is my okay. We made a mistake first on the spring, and then the adjuster lever. Now I have to disassemble it again to put this handbrake. Okay, so it's hard to put the handbrake, so you just saw the finished product. So I'm gonna put back the spring again. Wait, the lever first. Okay. Now I'm getting it back. Okay, just like so. And then the spring. This is how you do your do-it-yourself thing. You make a mistake along the way, and then you correct it. So now we're almost done, just like so. Okay, we're gonna put back the returner spring. So then, and then Ta-da! All around. Long nose. Just like so. Done. Now we're gonna do the adjustment. Wait, you're gonna... Okay, now after I do some cleaning and then put some grease on my return spring, so I'm gonna put it back. Okay, now this is the hard part, putting back the spring. Okay, we're almost done on pulling. So if you see this wooden vice grip or quick grip, it's just like my son idea. It's like a C-clamp to push the pin in. Okay, and then boom, ta-da! We're done. We just have to remove it, and we're just gonna do our adjustment. Okay, now after everything is done, we're gonna do I will do a recap, but for now I'll do an adjustment on the adjuster. Make sure, see how it turns. You pull the flat screw down, so what it is you're trying to make the brake shoe go like that. So when you put your brake drum, you have enough drag. Just make sure it's just barely touching. Okay, since we're done with the adjusting, so we just do a visual check of everything that we put back. Make sure we did not left any unturned parts, meaning everything. If we remove 10 nuts, we should be putting back 10, not 9, not 11. So we get the return spring, we get the adjuster lever, we get the pin holder, front and back, and then that spring is the bottom return spring. Okay, so we're just gonna be closing it, and make sure you have your handbrake there, and I think everything is ready, and you're ready to close the brake. So put back the brake drum just like so. Good, the presentation, hope you like it. And I'm not a professional, I'm just trying to share what we experienced, me and my son, on removing the rear brake drum, brakes pad, and the wheel cylinder. We did the front disc brake, and we just missed it, so maybe I just show it to you, the picture, and then maybe later on if I do change it again, I'll video it. Thank you for watching. Good day.